What? What?
Sabaw?
Sabaw? Why? No, I don't like you lang. You eat lang the sabaw. Are you... What nga?
Ang daming colors kanina. Parang habang buhay yung ship namin. Wala na. Thanksgiving para sa Thursday. Kaya ang daming tao. Kasi sarado pa naman Thanksgiving. Day off na.
Kailan? Thursday? So, Wednesday, Thursday, wala kang pasok?
Hindi, Thursday lang. Yung dayo nga top tsaka Sunday. Nilipat ang nila yung day off namin. Kailangan namin special na walang pasok.
2 days, no? Bad trip. You say nga, Papa, let's eat. You say.
Na, you can wave bye na to Papa. Na, babay ka na kay Papa. Wave ka like this, ah. Wave your hand na. Wave.
Nakakonsentrate. Ayaw pa istorbo. Natakaw eh. Hindi nakaset yung time.